What's up, guys? So today will be a different content. We're gonna go pray right now. I'm waiting for my brother to come. We're gonna go pray and we're gonna go pick up my mom. We're gonna go pray with a lot of people. You know, have fun praying with them. You know, showing love. Thankful to be alive today. To be going to the Conrise Islamic. Go pray. Gonna go pick up mom and yeah, that's it. You're gonna go pick up mom, go pray, and I will be showing you the video from me praying, and yeah, see y'all later. And I'm gonna show y'all mom, and I'm gonna pray back to when I'm praying, and when I get there, I love y'all. We'll see y'all later. Peace.
كيف ذلك؟ هذه الجمعة القادمة بإذن الله تعالى. اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا كلها دقها وجلها أولها وآخرها علانيتها وسرها. اللهم اغفر لأمة محمد ما قدمت وما أخرت وما أسرت وما أعلنت. اللهم أعنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. اللهم اجعل الدنيا في أيدينا وأخرج حبها من قلوبنا. اللهم اجعل الدنيا في أيدينا وأخرج حبها من قلوبنا. اللهم بارك في آبائنا وأمهاتنا وزوجاتنا وأولادنا، وبارك لنا في أموالنا وفي أنفسنا، واجعلنا مباركين أينما كنا. اللهم كن للمسلمين المستضعفين في كل مكان. اللهم كن للمستضعفين المسلمين في كل مكان. اللهم أعنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. اللهم اجعلنا من أهلك وخاصتك. اللهم اجعلنا من أهلك وخاصتك. اللهم استعملنا ولا تستبدلنا. ورب اجعلنا من المقيمين الصلاة والمؤتون الزكاة والمطيعين لك ولرسولك محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. واجعلنا من أهل القرآن في الدنيا والآخرة. وصل اللهم وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم وآخر الصلاة.
جزاكم الله خير. Come up. There's a lot of room back there. We don't use the neighbor. Please. We are Muslims. We don't use the neighbors. There is room in the front. Pull up the rank. Pull up the rank. There is room back there. We don't use our neighbors. They are very nice to us.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين.
So when I was playing, I don't know why, but when I put the phone down and I was playing, the phone just turned off. I don't know what happened. I don't know why. But yeah, I couldn't get the full clip, but it was awesome. I played with a lot of people. I feel thankful. I feel good to still be alive, still to be seeing this wonderful place. I can't wait to get my car, drive, do anything, man. I love y'all, and yeah, thank you so much. I love y'all. Yeah. And now we're gonna go pick up my mom. She's been working very hard. We gotta help to go pick her up. We don't want her to walk on the train. We don't want her to take the train. We don't want her to walk home. I know she's really tired, so we're gonna go pick her up right now. And I'll see y'all later. We go pick her up in the car. And I might be playing some. I'm gonna show y'all a video me inside the car, something like that. I'm gonna pick her up, mom. Bye. Alright, I'm about to go to the car right now. With the car, I'm about to go inside right now, bro.
Musical fun, entertainment with the internet, with breakfast.
You don't need a GPS to go there, but you should remember it by your brain by now.
I never go in this way, that's why I'm going to leave it.
Why does it seem to go straight? There's no what?
I want me to go that way, bro. So I'll do a U-turn.
Oh my god.
But you can't go.
You can't
What did he try to do?
There's no car coming right now.
This car coming?
See, but you couldn't pay attention because there was no car coming.
Well, the light's gonna be red soon. See, the light is red. See that? The light's gonna be red. The light is red.
Yeah, you shouldn't pay attention because, you know, when I looked, there was no car coming.
See, all this car that was waiting for.
Yeah,
In a
true.
quarter of a mile, turn right on Farragut
My
Road.
Arizona. You know, I need to start doing more YouTube.
Speed camera ahead.
Yeah, you need to do more YouTube videos, bro. You need to get a camera.
You still didn't buy me yet, bro.
If you didn't tell me. What kind of camera you want, bro?
I wish I do it. You're
Turn
going to
right
work.
on East 85th Street.
You should do everything on Tuesday.
Yeah, so you could do a video on Tuesday. See, Tuesday will be a good time.
Yeah, I'm doing a video on Tuesday.
Yeah. You know, they'll wake up early, be like, okay, now just wake up.
I mean, I can't tell them what's happening because right now, I don't want to spoil it right now because I'm recording right now.
You're not going to spoil. You just be like, oh, I think today's going to be a good day because, you know, I just woke up, but I have a very
In
good
700 feet, at the light,
Yeah, I'm recording right
turn
now,
right
bro.
on Glenwood Road.
So, you know, we can't spoil what we're doing on Tuesday because I'm recording right now.
Yeah, you're going to be like, alright guys, good morning everyone. Just woke up. But I have a, you know,
At the light,
today's going to be a
turn
very,
right
very
on
good
Glenwood
day.
Road.
There's something very, very, you know, like gonna happen today. Very excited. Just can't wait. I'm not gonna tell
In a
you guys
quarter of a
what's gonna
mile,
happen.
turn
You
left
guys
on
gonna
Remsen
see.
Avenue.
You guys gonna see. You know, that's how people do videos. You know what I mean?
Student driver.
You learn how to drive.
No way you was about to honk at them.
They need to know, bro.
Well, they actually faster than you, so.
Supposed to do it. Maybe there's no. Maybe it's like the guy who's driving the car is in the car. Maybe there's not. It's no driver. Maybe it's like the guy who's driving the car is in the car.
Oh.
Speed camera ahead. At the light, turn left on Remsen Avenue. In 700 feet, at the light, turn right on Farragut Road. At the light, turn right on Farragut Road.
Okay, so right now we're over here, and yeah, we're over here. We're waiting for my mom to come, so I'm not gonna cut anything. I'm gonna just keep it like this. Oh, I'm just so. And when my mom comes, I'm gonna show a little drive. Oh my God.
I don't want anyone to see me. I got several minutes at least.
I'll call my mom first just to see if she's.
Si me ko sa xam naa ma nga ma bone ma nga toog ci ba ma dem jël kat mu ma yóbbu.
Okay, yeah, okay. I like that. Really nice.
maa ngi ñëw xam nga ci biir jël dal lu ma naan.
Okay, man.
Gotta make sure, you know, the guy smell good.
You should not use that like 2 times a day.
So you leave it here, get the key, turn the car off. I'm going to go to
Okay, man. Alright. Alright. He just left me on the car alone. He's gonna go get coffee. Yeah. You know, this is the car. I think it's a Chevrolet. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but yeah, that's the car. Yeah, waiting for my mom to come. I better just call my mom and she didn't pick up, so if not, possibly just coming now. Also, should I school? Should I? Should I do school content? I don't know if I like supposed to do school content, cause I'm gonna be sneaking my phone. I'm not gonna turn in my phone. I'm gonna be sneaking my phone, but I don't know if I should do school content. Should I? Yeah. Just say what you think. Just say yes or no in the comments. The most answers I see, the most one I'm gonna pick. Oh yeah, I'm really sorry you guys gonna see the full playing, bro. I don't know why my phone just turned off. I did not think it would turn off like that. I don't know why. I'm going to pray again on Friday again. So I'm here on Friday. I'm gonna show the full clip. But this time I gotta do something for it tonight. Damn. Dude, the train was downstairs, was mad loud. I couldn't even talk. But yeah. Maybe when Friday comes again, I'ma just like video of like the full thing, but that's the only thing I'm a video. That's just like the full thing of me and the other people just praying, you know. When I get there and just sit down, I'ma video myself, just, praying this. I'ma just do that, and yeah. Also, on Tuesday, bro, I'm not gonna be posting Monday. Today is Friday. Saturday. Also, oh yeah, Brookhaven update. I was gonna do the Brookhaven update on my phone, but I don't know. Should I just end the video with, you know what? I mean, what am I talking about? They can't even say yes or no now because we're literally not even live. It's literally just a video. You know what? I feel like I should end it with me doing the Brookhaven update on my phone. I feel like I should do that. Yeah, I'm gonna end it like doing it like that. Yeah. And yeah, I'm not gonna cut anything out. And yeah, waiting for my mom to come right now. Waiting for my brother and mom to come right now. So yeah. People always say my teeth is like mad white. Oh my god, the train again. People always say my teeth is white. Is it really that white? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Goal is just, be a famous streamer. Right now, oh my god. Right now, I'm in the car. My god, another train? Oh yeah, let me know if I still film me going to my permitting and trying like so basically me going to my driving permit. Let me know if I still like make a video of me going to my driving permit. Cause when I get my first car, of course I'm gonna do a video of that. Of course I'm gonna do that. Of course I wanna. Very, very satisfying. Literally just honked for no reason. But it's okay to wake up at parked, so it's good. I literally just honked for no reason. Like, bro, I can't wait to have my own car. I'm buying this same exact car with a Chevrolet. I'm buying that. Or if I'm rich, I guess Mercedes. But yeah, oh my god, my mom needs to hurry up. My brother too. You gotta go. Why not? are they at, bro? So tell me in the comments who's your favorite YouTuber. Who's your favorite YouTuber that y'all like watch every day? That y'all like addicted to them. That like y'all would like never stop watching them. Me? I don't know. I like Corey Extension. It's like he doesn't post that much now, but I like his video. I mean, I do like both. I do like Brookhaven videos, you know. I love Brookhaven so much. That's why I'm gonna end this video with the Brookhaven thing. Where they at? Mm. Yeah. I was just looking at myself and people was just looking at me. You know, I don't know why I feel to stop talking. I just be getting mad scared when people be looking at me. I feel like I'm being judged or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really, you know. I'm a soft. Yeah. Something I do for sure. God. Now, what do you guys think I should do? Should I make another channel with? Oh my God! Hold up, it's a train again. Hold up. I'm not here. What do you guys think I should do? Should I make another channel with me playing Roblox? And so make another channel with me playing Roblox and keep these as my main channel. Is it like an taking a life of my main type content, or basically just like me outside type content? Yeah, basically like that. Should I do that and then make a separate channel with Roblox? Just let me know. And yeah. Sorry, God, I gotta stop off. Yeah, Tuesday. Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I don't know what I'm gonna post. I might just not post anything there, and then surprise, cause on Tuesday I got a very good surprise. Oh yes, they're coming right now. I'll see my brother and my mom. Okay. Oh, my mom is running close. That's what's inside. What up? Oh my God, bro. Like, what are you? I absolutely hate this summer, bro. I didn't even do anything, dude. My family was lazy. I couldn't even. I mean, I don't want to bring with my family. It's also partially my fault because I didn't want to. I guess I was so lazy to walk outside, you know, that. It's okay because Tuesday, it's about to be a good content. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to ruin it. But it's about to be good content, you know. Good content. I'm gonna be. Hey, when I hit 50 subscribers, I'm gonna be live. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna be live. 50 subscribers, bro. My goal right now is to hit 50 subscribers because I just want to go live. I just want to go live, you know. Go live, man. You know. I don't care if it's one viewer. I don't care if it's two viewers. I just want somebody, you know, watching my content, loving, appreciating me. Yeah. I'm with my mom. She's wearing her clothes. She's crazy, man. I feel like my brother would have seen her call her a long time ago, so she wouldn't have to get ready. I guess he can call her man late, and yeah. Oh yeah, what's your dream car, nigga? What's your dream car? It's like I don't know what my dream car is. I feel like my dream car is I don't know. Oh, I mean, people been saying that like having a BMW is like bad because they give like a lot of problems. People say like not to get a BMW as your dream car. Get like something else. I don't know what to get though. I don't know. I like model cars. I like cars with like 4-seaters. But the SUV though, it gotta be an SUV. I'm not gonna fall for that car. I don't like no small car. I like big car, SUV, you know. No. Is this scientifically proven that like driving like not like an SUV car, but like you know like the cars that you basically like you can put like a couch, a TV, and a bed in there, and you could go like you go to another house. You basically like leaving your crib so you could go to another house so that you bring your couches, your bed, your TV in the car, and then you yeah, and you get that car. I don't know what's a car called. Oh, a U-Haul, a U-Haul. Is it scientifically proven that U-Haul? Oh my God, the train again. Is it scientifically proven that U-Haul is like it's technically a better car because then you can see everything, and also when something happens, you're gonna be okay because you're like the big version. You have like a big car. I don't know if that's like true or not. I don't know. Oh my God. Car. Yo, I can't wait to get my driver license, but I'm tired of playing GTA 5, Rensselaer Country, Brookhaven. I'm tired of playing those games, man. GTA 6 is coming out. I'm about to have fun with that game. Yeah, bro. I already got a PS5 stuff. And yeah. Wait if I look at my hammer. Yo, I wish I had a camera or something, bro. It's the enemy. Oh God. I feel like I might just end this until the. See here?
I'll come out there. Somebody burn down.
Oh, okay. My mom is finished. My mom is finished.
Speed camera ahead.
Oh, there you go. There's my mom.
Mom?
Ah.
Apa sakit ni sebab?
Just said my name.
Kan dia lagi ada pun bang. Am dia orang. Ai how ya ko ko bini.
Another similar one. By the way, we're gonna be talking in Wolof. Don't worry, I'm gonna be translating everything. So.
Mom?
Wow.
Okay.
Gay. We always say that as a family when we always meet, we always just say gay. Just say our last name. I know it's a good thing, you know. We just say that's a good thing, you know. Yeah. background, you're gonna be hearing my mom and my brother talking. So yeah. She's on the phone with my dad. He's bringing him to the house. That's what she said. That's my mom. God, bro, it's hard, man. We just passed the homeless man trying to beg us for money. You know? Yes, no. We're gonna make money. We're not going to college. I'm gonna just keep recording, man. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep recording. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I might be bored. I'm not gonna say anything, but you know, I'm gonna just keep recording. Yeah, let me show you how to drive out for y'all something now.
Hey, calm down, boy. There's a car in the front of them. That line over there is red.
Yeah.
No, lu nekk fii la de. Affaire bi nekk mooy kii bi weer bi ma dindi woon nii.
Oh my God.
weer bi ma dindi woon bii nii ma changé woon benn bi. moom laa def si ginnaaw teg si ginnaaw mooy yëngatu.
There's a video hard day. You see my mom in the background?
Affaire bii nii mooy yaa ngi gis kii bii nii miir bii nii moo dindi woon moo changé bi da nga ko changé woon bi affaire bi mu ngi woon ko boo ko doon yëngu wàcc mën nga woon def. teg si ginnaaw noonu dama ko teg si ginnaaw pour dina ba benn problème am dara yooyu noonu booy war daal yi ma mën a yóbbu monté waat.
You know what? I'm gonna just keep leaving it.
ginnaaw naa bëri bagage naa dindi bagage yëpp.
I'm gonna just keep leaving it.
soo am nekk ku nekk nag ku nekk tamit ginnaaw tamit. ginnaaw.
Kiyam bi moo yàqu boppam bi. Alsiri ko yàq pare yàqu ko. daa am ko oo da xaw ma kii na ne ko Alsiri xoolal ko rek. xaw ma lu mu jéem a def naan day changé ko doon ko changé la ko far yàqu. loolu baa bay xool suñu.
Lu am yàqu.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep leaving it like this.
Thank you.
I guess I'm gonna get recorded like this till I get home. I'm not gonna leave anything uncut. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave anything uncut. Recording like this and yeah.
En sånne greier må jeg gjøre med dem med. En sånne greier må jeg gjøre. I like this movie, yo. Calm down, man. What you want?
Red light camera ahead.
Bëgg laa ko bëgg la ñu bëgg ori dem loolu def naa ko ah mu bëgg yaa gis faal boobu faal mu saale moo gis na ko jigéen gaa ngi noonu di dox noonu yooyu bëgg ko jigéen comme mu war a dox mu war a dem fa pare voilà noonu gaa yam yow mooy loolu
Oh, there's somebody. By the way, nobody in the car.
Kere ba nga ñibbi ni nga jaara wala jaaratoo ni
ok
démb la démb ba nga indi
yoon bi laa jaaroo
fekk fi accident kii boobu ma fekkoo tam police
police fan
oto ba léegi ci woon foofu
bàyyi ma si xel sax nga xam ne police dina xaar
Oh my God.
Now I didn't know what I want now. I know. Don't follow me. Like when you're on the yellow day, like when you're on the
Speed camera ahead.
He actually is. Maybe you got a business to do, buddy.
There's a camera right here. Go ahead, speed. There's a camera right here. Speed. Not really speed. There's a camera right here.
I think he knows that
red light. Come on, man, you're trying to do that.
Red light camera ahead.
I just got home, so I'm gonna be ending the video with me playing the new Brookhaven update, and basically, yeah, that's what it's gonna be going. Yeah, just got home, and yeah, it's gonna be ended with me playing the Brookhaven update, and yeah, end it like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all playing the new Brookhaven update.